Hi friends, I'm Irfan and you're watching my YouTube channel Irfan Creates. This is part 12 and part 1 to 11 you will find on I button. Today I'm going to tell you about pelvis rotator. In part 11 we had given a twisting function here. With that we were able to twist the torso. Now if we want to twist the torso more after twisting from here, we can also twist from here. So this is the new update. The torso and pelvis will twist from two places and here it will be locked, will not go beyond the bones. So these twisting functions will give us quite good results while articulating. So guys, let's see how I added the pelvis rotator to it. Make this shape to give volume to pelvis. Its height is 3.2 and length is 4.2 cm with a hole inside. I made this shape with cardboard, so it should be very thick because it will support the pelvis and also give some volume. After completing pelvis volume, now we need pelvis rotator. So I will tell you later what is the use of pelvis rotator. Its inner diameter will be 4 cm and its height will be 1.5 cm. It is also made of cardboard for strength. Guys, this was our old pelvis joint, so I'm gonna use this old pelvis joint again. So I'm going to cut this vertical cylinder because it is of no use to us. We need this horizontal tube. I have removed this tube and now inserting this tube in the hole of this shape. We will stick the tube to this shape with some paper strips. After done with paper strips, glue both parts from both sides for extra strength. Gluing up to 0.5 cm on both sides on the edge of pelvis volume shape. Take this volume rotator. Also I have marked 0.5 cm to its both inner side. So we have to insert this board till these marks. Maintain its circular shape and this board should be in center. To make it more strong, I am wrapping a paper strip to this system. And now it's time to check this system with torso. This torso rotator should rotate inside this pelvis rotator. I have wrapped some paper strips at bottom of torso rotator. It is 0.5 cm wide. Important thing is, I have made a circular cut on this strip just below the nut so that nuts can rotate freely and not stick with these bottom strips while articulating. After this, the torso rotator should be fixed in the pelvis rotator. It is holding pelvis rotator because of paper strips, but by pulling it will come out. Now we need to lock its position so that it just rotates and does not come out. For the lock, I have taken 1 cm broad paper ring. It should fit nicely in pelvis rotator. Let me tell you once again, the diameter of pelvis rotator is 4 cm, so this lock ring diameter should be 3.9 cm to fit in it. I have cut two equal parts from this ring, gluing both parts lower side one by one, placing first piece on the torso rotator over the mark and hold it with fingers. And now take another piece and place it on the opposite side of rotator. Also need to hold it and then take this pelvis rotator and install it over the torso rotator. The important thing is these two pieces should go inside the pelvis rotator and stick with it. Take your own time while installing these rotators. So, glued lower part of this piece has sticked with pelvis rotator from inside, and this piece also sticked as well. Actually, this piece works as a lock for pelvis rotator. Okay, remember guys, these locks are not stick to the torso rotator, they are stick to pelvis rotator. Don't forget to give extra supports to both locks. with some paper pieces or strips. So now pelvis rotator is connected with the torso rotator and side locks are also done, and these locks will not allow the pelvis rotator to come out. Before, we can twist the torso only from upper side, but now second twisting can be done from these rotators. So it will rotate twist from two places and nuts get locked after limited twistings. So the torso will twist oppositely as well. This is how extreme twisting works. Finally, we have completed this rig with some cool modifications, and from next part, action figure part 13 will work on its muscles. I mean, will work on Wolverine's muscles. So those who guys loves him, don't forget to watch my upcoming videos. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will meet you next time with more updates. Till then, bye bye friends.